Hi, this is Bob Militello at Fit Body Boot Camp, and I'm putting this message out there for trainers and boot camp instructors that want to teach a boot camp. The times will be 5:30 a.m. and 9 a.m. Monday through Friday, 8 o'clock on Saturdays. Basically, the way it works is this. I've got all the systems in place. It's basically a boot camp in a box that's ready to go. I'm looking for boot camp instructors that want to partner up with me and own part of that boot camp. I'll do the marketing, you teach the boot camps, and we'll do a revenue share. Usually, these boot camps are generating up to $12,000 per month, and we'll be sharing that. Once the boot camp is set up, in about 4 months or so, you should be generating anywhere between $4,000 to $7,000 each month of revenue from this boot camp. I'm looking for kick-ass boot camp instructors. If you have insane amounts of energy, you really know how to connect with people, you know how to get people just fired up, and you really, really want this, that's what I'm looking for. Not just somebody who's going to stand around. I've got a boot camp system here that makes more money than any other boot camp. If we can partner up in this, it'd be awesome. I don't want to waste my time just doing interviews. So please don't respond to this if you're not just one of the people that just want to blast this freaking roof off this program and just really have a great time. If you don't bring the fire, don't respond. If you want to respond to this and you think you're going to kick some ass, this is what you need to do. Go back to the Craigslist ad, reply back to that ad and let me know that you've just watched the video and you're ready to kick some butt. Give me your name, phone number, the city you live in, the best time to get a hold of you, and the best email to reach you at. I've got some solid locations set to go. I'm just looking to connect with some really, really motivated trainers who can bring that energy, enthusiasm, and passion to deliver the goods. If you're one of those and you're ready to kick some butt, reply back to the Craigslist ad and let me know. Thanks.